Stop doing things the hard way in your kitchen. Today, I am revealing 17 genius Amazon kitchen gadgets that you have probably never seen before. These innovative tools are designed to save your time, space, and effort while making cooking fun again. Let's dive into these game-changing finds. If you struggle with tight jars or have weak hands, this gadget is a lifesaver. It's a hands-free electric jar opener that fits any jar size. You just place it on top, press the button, and it automatically twists the lid off for you. No more straining or asking for help. Stop standing over the stove for hours. This automatic stirrer rotates on its own in your pan or pot. It has 3 speed settings and is perfect for soups, sauces, or gravy that need constant stirring. It's heat-resistant and ensures nothing ever gets burnt at the bottom. Get rid of those bulky traditional colanders. This small silicone strainer clips directly onto almost any pot or pan. It allows you to drain water or oil while keeping your food inside. It's heat-resistant, dishwasher-safe, and takes up almost zero space in your drawer. This is the fastest way to shred chicken or pork. Instead of using 2 forks, you just place your cooked meat inside, close the lid, and give it a few quick twists. In seconds, you have perfectly shredded meat for tacos, sandwiches, or salads. This extendable colander fits perfectly over any sink. It's amazing for washing fruits and vegetables or draining pasta. Because it sits over the sink, it keeps your food away from the bottom of the basin and allows for much faster drainage. Imagine cooking 6 perfect eggs in just minutes with zero guesswork. This compact egg cooker can make hard-boiled, soft-boiled, poached, or even scrambled eggs. It features an auto shut-off function, so you never have to worry about overcooking them. Hover Cover 2.0 Magnetic Collapsible Microwave Splatter Cover. Magnets store it inside your microwave ceiling, ready anytime. Just pull down, cover your plate, and heat mess-free. Steam vents keep food fresh. BPA-free design is safe, dishwasher-friendly, and fits most microwaves. Chopping herbs like basil or cilantro can be tedious. These scissors have 5 sharp blades that allow you to snip herbs directly into your dish. It's 5 times faster than using a knife and gives you perfectly uniform pieces every single time. Don't use a microwave to thaw your meat, it ruins the texture. This thermal tray thaws frozen meat, fish, and poultry up to 3 times faster than sitting on the counter. It requires no electricity or batteries and keeps the natural flavor of your food intact. You can now make a custom breakfast sandwich in less than 5 minutes. This machine layers your bread, eggs, cheese, and pre-cooked meat perfectly. Once it's done, just slide the cooking plate out and your sandwich is ready to eat. This clever tool combines the power of tongs with the convenience of a spatula. It's perfect for flipping eggs, scooping tacos, or serving fish without breaking it apart. It's non-stick and heat-resistant, making it a must-have for every kitchen. This is a hidden gem for your kitchen. It's a V-shaped opener that you mount under your cabinet. Can grip any lid from a small water bottle to a large jar of pickles. It's completely out of sight, but always there when you need extra leverage. Take the guesswork out of baking. This rolling pin comes with removable rings that allow you to set the exact thickness of your dough. Whether you are making pizza or cookies, you will get a perfectly even crust every time. Never let your chips or snacks go stale again. This tiny gadget uses heat to create an airtight seal on any plastic bag in seconds. It's magnetic, so you can keep it on your fridge for quick access whenever you open a new bag. Removing corn from the cob is usually a mess. This stainless steel corn zipper allows you to strip an entire cob in one quick motion. The kernels stay intact and don't fly everywhere, making it perfect for fresh salads or salsas. We've all had a pot boil over and ruin the stove. This heavy silicone lid prevents that completely, catches the foam and keeps the liquid inside the pot. It also doubles as a steamer basket if you place a plate of vegetables on top. If you love avocados, you need this. This one tool allows you to split the skin, remove the pit with a quick twist, and then slice the fruit into perfect pieces. It's safe, efficient, and ensures you get every bit of fruit out of the shell. All the links to these 17 new kitchen gadgets are in the description below. If you want to see more unique Amazon finds, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Pick and Promote. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. See you in the next video.